Hello po everyone. Thank you for joining my Mami Lucy Fan Club. And to those who haven't yet joined my party or panel, please join me on my live and on my panel. And you are all welcome to join my fan club. And for this day, almost 100, almost 200 members are on my Mami Lucy's account, and I'm so thankful for you for joining every day. And let us just have fun and relax and play the Pupo account, the Pupo apps. And by the way, I am from Team Smiley for almost 2 years now, and I welcome you all to visit my panel, visit my account, Mami Lucy. And also I want to greet my avid fan, Yang, for almost visiting my account and my fan, being a member for almost 2 weeks, 3 weeks I think. And I hope all are enjoying and staying in my account and my panel, and keep on watching Mami Lucy's panel. Thank you and have a nice day.